This is for chicken salad. I shredded it. I boiled and shredded. This is chicken legs. We have here cucumber, spring onion, white vinegar, sugar, chinkyang vinegar, sesame oil, light soy sauce. We'll transfer this into a bowl so it's easy to mix. Put this chicken first. And cucumber. I will dress it when I will serve it. Put some spring onion. I will not put it all, just like that. Ready to serve. I'll just prepare I will prepare the sauce. So this will be my dressing. This is soy sauce. 1, 2. Sesame oil. Around 1 tablespoon. Chinkyang vinegar. 1. And white sugar. Just half teaspoon. I will just dress it before serving. That's all. Thanks for watching.